Recital of Satcharitra on Thursdays between 6 and 6:30 in the evening.
Shubham Bhavatu.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय कोटि सूर्य समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Looking for a way to teach your children more about our Hindu heritage? As part of Swami Vivekananda's 150th birth anniversary celebrations, HSS Balagokulam presents Dharma Bhi, a nationwide quiz competition on Swami Vivekananda and Shri Krishna for kindergartners to 8th graders from February to April 2013 with local, regional, and national levels. A total of $50,000 in prizes. Visit us at dharmabhi.org. You could be a winner.
नमस्कार, शिरडी साई विश्व साई कार्यक्रम में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं अशोक व्यास और आज वैलेंटाइन डे के अवसर पर आप सबके जीवन में प्यार के भंडार के बढ़ते रहने की मंगल कामना के साथ साथ हम याद करते हैं कि आने वाले दिन यानी कल हम मनाने वाले हैं शुक्रवार को वसंत पंचमी, और वसंत पंचमी का संदर्भ हमें स्मरण करवाता है सरस्वती माता की। विस्तार की तरफ हमें ले जाने के लिए हमारी पात्रता बढ़ाने वाले पावन वैदिक उच्चारणों के साथ प्रारंभ करते हैं आज के शिरडी साई विश्व साई कार्यक्रम को।
गणानान्त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतु। श्रीमहागणाधिपतये नमः। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ। ममाग्ने वर्चो विहवेश्वस्तु वयन्त्वेन्धानास्तनुवं पुषेमा मह्यन्नमन्तां प्रदिशश्चतस्रस्त्वयाध्यक्षेण पृतनाजयेमा। मम देवा विहवे सन्तु सर्व इन्द्रावन्तो मरुतो विष्णुरग्निः। ममान्तरिक्षमुरुगोपमस्तु मह्यं वातः पवतां कामे अस्मिन्। मयि देवा द्रविणमायजन्तां मय्याशीरस्तु मयि देवहूतिः। दैव्या होतारावनिषन्त पूर्वे रिष्टाः स्याम तनुवा सुवीराः। मह्यै यजन्तु मम यानि हव्याकूतिः सत्या मनसो मे अस्तु। येनो मानिगाङ्कतमच्चनाहं विश्वे देवासो अधिवोचता मे। देवी षडुर्वीरुणः कृणोत विश्वे देवास इह वीरयध्वम् माहास्महि प्रजया मातनोभिर्मारधामद्विषते सोमराजन् अग्निर्मन्युं प्रतिनुदन् पुरस्ताददब्धो गोपाः परिपाहि नस्त्वम् प्रत्यञ्चोयन्तु निगुतः पुनस्ते महिषाञ्चित्तं प्रबुधा विनेशतु धाता धातॄणां भुवनस्य यस्पतिर्देवगुं सवितारमभिमातिशाहम् इमै यज्ञमश्विनो भा बृहस्पतिर्देवाः पान्तु यजमानन्यर्थात् ऋव्यचानो महिषः शर्म यगुं सदस्मिनु हवे पुरुहूतः पुरुक्षु स नः प्रजायै हर्यश्वमृडयेन्द्रमानो रीरिषो मापरादाः येन सपत्ना अपते भवन्त्विन्द्राग्निभ्यामवबाधामहेतान् वसवो रुद्रा आदित्या उपरि स्पृशं मोग्रं चेत्तारमधिराजमक्रन् अर्वाञ्चमिन्द्रममुतो हवामहे योगो जिद्धनजिदश्वजिद्यः इमन्नो यज्ञं विहवे जुषस्वास्य कुर्मो हरिवो मेदिनं त्वा सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ओम शांति शांति शांति।
सरस्वती माता को ज्ञान की देवी कहा जाता है और कहा जाता है जो ज्ञानी होते हैं उनके पास प्यार का वो कोष होता है जो सबके लिए खुला रहता है।
ये बसंत पंचमी की बहुत बड़ी विशेषता है कि हमें आध्यात्मिकता की विशेषता को लिए हुए हमें प्रेरित करती है। कोई एक पर्व देती है, पर्व का अर्थ होता है एक हिस्सा, गांठ। ये हमारी अंगुलियों के जो ये चीरे हैं इनको भी शास्त्र पर्व मानता है। पर्व होता पोरी, गन्ना होता है हमारे यहाँ, पोरी होती है ना भाग। यूं ही ये पर्व जो होते हैं ये समय के एक टुकड़े हैं। तो यूं ही बसंत पंचमी एक वो पर्व है, वो भाग है जो हमें आध्यात्मिकता की ओर ले जाने के लिए जो व्रत साधनाएं हैं वो इस दिन, आज की पंचमी के दिन पंच भौतिक होने के कारण जो आरंभ किए जाते हैं वो निर्विघ्नता से परमेश्वर की साक्षी रूप अग्नि को सामने रखते हुए ही किए जाते हैं। इसलिए बसंत की ये जो ऋतु चल रही है इसमें लोग नाना प्रकार के व्यवहारिक पर्व उत्सव भी मनाते हैं। रंग का प्रयोग करते हैं, पीले रंग का। पीत रंग जो है बड़ी बात हो जाएगी, वो शास्त्र बहुत मान देता है। जहाँ सफ़ेद रंग को मान देता है, सबसे बड़ा शास्त्र सफ़ेद रंग को, सब काला ये सब चिट्टा वाला, इसको ज़्यादा मान देता है। और यदि उससे भिन्न उतरता है कहीं तो पीले पर उतरता है, पीले रंग को मान देता है। तो आज ये जो ऋतु आने वाली है बसंत ऋतु, उस बसंत ऋतु में बसंत के खास पर्व पर लोग पीला वस्त्र पहनते हैं, पीले वस्तु का ही दान करते हैं, पीला ही भोजन करते हैं, पीली वस्तुओं का वो मंदिरों में इधर उधर जो है वो लेन देन करते हैं और पीले की ही उस पर शयन करना, बैठना उठना आदि शास्त्र कहता है। तो ये पीत तत्व का प्रतीक भी है। इसलिए भी वेद ने एक जगह कहा हुआ है कि अंगुष्ठ मात्रम पुरुषो मध्ये आत्मनि तिष्ठति। जीव मनुष्य के हृदय रूपी प्रदेश में थोड़ा सा वाम भाग में, थोड़ा सा खब्बी ओर को, जो छाती है हमारी, इस छाती के मध्य को लें तो फिर थोड़ा सा खब्बी ओर हों तो वो हृदय का प्रदेश माना जाता है, दिल की जगह मानी जाती है। और आज के डॉक्टर भी ऐसा ही कहते हैं, वेद भी यही कह रहा है, अंगुष्ठ मात्रम पुरुषो मध्य आत्मनि तिष्ठति। जो पुरुष चेतन तत्व जो है वो मनुष्यों के जो हृदय रूपी प्रदेश है, वो प्रदेश कितना है, कहते हैं जितना उसके अंगूठे का अगला भाग है ये वाला, इतने इसी आकार का और इतने मात्र में वो एक हृदय नाम का स्थान है, उसमें चेतन तत्व जो है वो निवास करता है, निवास करता है। उस चेतन तत्व जो है उसको ठीक मानते हुए, साधना का साक्षी प्रतीक मानते हुए व्यक्ति को ये जो बसंत पंचमी है ये बहुत महत्व रखती है। हमें जब बसंत पंचमी या बसंत का पर्व आए तो जहाँ व्यवहारिकता से हर्ष उल्लास का हम आदान प्रदान करते हैं एक दूसरे के प्रति, ऐसी साधना को बढ़ाने को शास्त्र कहता है। जो एक वेद पढ़ता है उसको दूसरे वेद की आरंभ करने की आज्ञा देता है, जो पुराणों का अध्ययन करता है उसको और आगे जाने की बसंत पंचमी के दिन की विशेषता होती है। तो बंधुओं, हमें बसंत पंचमी को, भारतीय जितने लोग हैं वो इसके वैदिक तत्व को, पौराणिक तत्व को, दार्शनिक तत्व को, धार्मिक विशेषता को जाने ना जाने, पर सांसारिक जो हमारा आदान प्रदान है, प्रसन्नता की अभिव्यक्ति है, उसके करने में ये बहुत प्रसिद्ध है बसंत पंचमी।
And if you think of it, there is one love that one experiences near one's beloved. तो प्रेमी को प्रेमिका के पास, प्रेमिका को प्रेमी के पास, या उनकी याद के साथ में प्यार की एक अनुभूति होती है। और उसी तरह से ईश्वर की याद, संतों के सानिध्य में भी एक शुद्ध प्रेम की अनुभूति जुड़ी रहती है। प्रेम को किस तरह से अपने जीवन में, अपने व्यवहार में प्रकट किया जाए, इसका संदेश सत्य साई बाबा ने भी अपने जीवन में दिया।
ब्रह्मांड नायका बाबा, धरती पुरीश्वर बाबा, दीन दुखियों से प्रेम करो मेरा साईं प्रसन्न होगा। Actually, this was the memory when I was 5 years old. Actually, it was my first time to Whitefield, and that time, those days, you could bring, flowers inside the ashram. And I saw this particular flower, which was only 1 rupee. Those days, they were selling outside. I brought it. I brought the flower and I gave it to Baba. And that time, I was sitting with my mom on the ladies' side. And those days, they did not have a hall like a Sai Rameshwaram hall. I just went. Swami was there, and Swami took the rose. Swami made 1 round. And Swami came back again. He said, eat those petals. And the petals taste like nectar, honey. And everybody started eating those petals, in fact. And ever since then, I felt that, how can a normal flower, as a child I'll be thinking, how can a normal flower turn into nectar or sweet? Eventually I realized, and I started going for Balvikas, and a few other experiences which I had made me feel that Bhagwan is God. हृदय मंदिर में आओ साईं मेरे, दीजो कृपा वरदान, तुम हो
तो आज का शिरडी साई विश्व साई कार्यक्रम यूँ तो हर कार्यक्रम समर्पित होता है प्रेम को, पर आज विशेष रूप से बात हम कर रहे हैं प्रेम की। और प्रेम वो है जो हमें मुक्त करता है अपनी क्षुद्रता से। मनुष्य जब प्रेममय होता है तो सहज ही मुक्त हो जाता है।
मेरा प्रभु गिरधर नागर अपनी रंग में रंग दे चुनरिया, ओ शामिया रंग दे चुनरिया।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
जीवन के अर्थ को जानने वाले किसी न किसी तरह से वहाँ पहुँच जाते हैं जहाँ सेवा उनके साथ एक में खो जाती है।
Om Sri Sai Ram Gurudev Datta. I come from San Antonio, Texas, originally from Hyderabad, India. We've been in Texas since 1988.
And your initial experiences of being in his presence?
Wow. It's a lengthy answer. I'm very grateful for the physical body given by my parents. Bhadrirasa Krishnamurti, he's a world-renowned linguist who recently passed away. And my mother, Shyamala. Very, very, very nice people. But you may be surprised, they are very religious and spiritual, but never into any gurus in a human form. Actually, my greatest challenge was to overcome the arguments put up by my father, who was an erudite scholar of all Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Bhagavad Gita and Upanishads. And so it was a pull of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba. Maybe there is a karma, there is a balance, and there is an internal seeking to see what is the purpose of life. I've always, why am I here? Why am I a doctor? How can I overcome the negativities of the life? Because as Swamiji was explaining yesterday, that's the nature of life. There is positive, there is an equal amount of negative. And the balance is this universe, without which there is no creation, there is no destruction. So as a result, I think I was more in the dark with the deep depression within my heart that Ravana would survive, not the Rama, in this Kali Yuga. During such thought, we were invited for a wedding of a relative to Puttaparthi, and Swami pulled me and my husband and my family and gave us 2 interviews in 2 days. And I didn't know why at that time, but with that interview, I was convinced that I was always a Vishnu Bhakta. We did Vishnu Sahasranama as a teenager to fulfill my peace, innermost desires and determination. The shloka I always liked was Yatra Yogeswara Krishna Yatra Pardo Dhanudara Tatra Sri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruva Nitir Matir Mama. So whenever I lost courage, I said, hey, if you are like that Arjuna who is ready to fight the battle, Krishna, the Prajna, is with you all the time to guide you. So you are assured your victory. So it went into my school, my affiliation with the friends, my associations, and so on. So that one was fortified when Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba on July 5th and 6th gave us 2 eternal interviews, 1988. And he said, I watch you like the eyes are watched by the eyelid. I'm with you, in you, around you, and he made me stand next to him, so that I would put vibhuti packets in his hand. He would distribute it to the public gathering there. I felt it was very symbolic. And then we had another interview, Vaikuntha Ekadasi Day. So that is my very, very special day. And after that, we had quite a few interviews to promote our interviews and truth seeking, to instill that there is a highest purpose of human life, that we are not born for eating and drinking and protecting our progeny, but your life should touch many lives. And he said, if your life touches 5 lives and those multiply by 5s, my purpose is done.
You know, this comes from the other side. When I say other side, meaning there are people who are apprehensive about Satya Sai Baba being incarnation of Shirdi Baba or being a god in human form. There are people who totally believe that he is God, and there's no question in their mind that he is God. Now, you were in the both sides. Earlier, you were not aware about his presence in this way. So, and you were also chanting Vishnu Sahasranama, you mentioned. In our scriptures, you don't have any reference of the presence of Shirdi Baba or Satya Sai Baba. And if you look at the Panch Devopasana that we have in our Sanatan tradition, the Surya Upasana, Ganesh Upasana, Shakti, Shiv, Vishnu. But nowhere you will see that much detailed discussions about the form of Bhagwan Dattatreya in a common Hindu household. The reference of Bhagwan Dattatreya comes in the Bhagavatam, or it's just on the periphery of that. So, yeah.
I think in response to that, I am not an erudite scholar like my father, but Bhagwan himself said, whenever there is deterioration of dharma, whenever there is a pining by my devotees to relieve them and to give the nirvana or the mukti, and to protect the destitute, I will reincarnate again and again and again. Now, there was Satya Yuga, then the Treta Yuga and Dwapara Yuga, and then this is Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga, you know, is the Kala, black, dark. And all these were written, the Itihasas and everything from Satya Yuga to Dwapara Yuga. So the reference might not have been made, but then the Datta walking in the human form was chosen for Kali Yuga. So he would, the Vishnu Amsa of the Dattatreya stayed back on the earth, walking in many forms, as narrated in the Datta Charitra, Sripada Sivallabha, Akalkot Maharaj, and Nrsimha Saraswati, all these, and Shirdi Baba comes under that. But I cannot depend upon all of those. I didn't even know about Shirdi Baba when I knew Satya Sai Baba. But things happen. You know, I think I should write volumes, a volume of my own on all of those. But one time we were told we had to do Bhaskara Homam for Aditya on Vijayadashmi day. Well, I didn't know. Some elevated spiritual soul said, and somebody else was going to perform, but it ended up in my house. I didn't know any about Shirdi Baba, you know, being Nirvana Day that day. So another soul was called by their guru that you will get a call from Baba, so you go to that house for some homam today. Not knowing that there was a spiritual person, I invited him. He came at 12 midnight to wait until 4 o'clock. And then when he moved into the altar area, he then realized that it is Shirdi Baba. It was a call from Shirdi Baba that he was warned about by his own father, and his own father was warned from spiritual guru. And that day somebody gave me the Charitra, Guru Charitra, Datta Parayana Charitra for fulfilling my desires. My only desire was to use this body for human elevation and spirituality and teaching the parents how to raise their children, because I'm a pediatrician, so that the kids are not subject to domestic violence. So I didn't know about all these things. At that time, he told me that he got the call from Dattatreya, in other words, Shirdi Baba himself. And that day I realized, and I read that Charitra, and that was in 1993 actually, you know, not very recently. So how did that happen? I couldn't explain. But while I was doing the puja, I lost my consciousness. it was a reverie. You know, I lost my consciousness for a brief second. I embraced Shivalingam. And I opened my eyes and I was sitting there. Then I said, wow. You know, I wasn't sleeping. It was a dream. It wasn't a dream. It was a genuine experience.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha.
तूफान तू आना है, आकर चले जाना है, बादल ये कुछ पल का जाकर गल जाना है, परछाइयाँ रह जाती निशानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, ओ तेरी मेरी कहानी है, तेरी मेरी कहानी है।
बसंत पंचमी के स्मरण के साथ सरस्वती माता के चरणों में निवेदन है ध्यान के ये पुष्प। या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला, या शुभ्र वस्त्रावृता, या वीणा वरदंड मंडित करा, या श्वेत पद्मासना, या ब्रह्माच्युत शंकर प्रकृतिभिर देवे सदा वंदिता, सा माम पातु सरस्वती भगवती निशेष जाड्या पहा। प्रार्थना सरस्वती माता से कि वो हमें हमारा प्रमाद, हमारा आलस्य दूर करने में मदद करें और हम चुस्ती के साथ में, मस्ती के साथ में और पूरे समर्पण के साथ में अपने भीतर उन सब गुणों की वृद्धि करने में सफल हो पाएं जो हमें समीप रखते हैं श्रद्धा के और सबूरी के। शिरडी बाबा के चरणों में प्रणाम, साष्टांग दंडवत निवेदित करते हुए अब आज के शिरडी साई विश्व साई कार्यक्रम से विदा लेने की अनुमति दें अशोक व्यास को। साई राम, नमस्कार।
Looking for a way to teach your children more about our Hindu heritage? As part of Swami Vivekananda's 150th birth anniversary celebrations, HSS Balagokulam presents Dharma Bhi, a nationwide quiz competition on Swami Vivekananda and Shri Krishna for kindergartners to 8th graders from February to April 2013 with local, regional, and national levels. A total of $50,000 in prizes. Visit us at dharmabhi.org. You could be a winner.
विश्व साई।
Recital of Satcharitra on Thursdays between 6 and 6:30 in the evening.
Shubham Bhavatu।